Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, I had this really good video planned for you, but unfortunately it's not going to go as planned. So let me show you what happened. Have some tools I've been collecting up. That's kind of cool. It's a scroll saw that I found at a garage sale last week for 15 bucks. Arbor press here, and I've been collecting this sort of tool set that it's been kind of leading up to this project that I've been wanting to do for quite some time now, actually a couple years now. Here I got this kind of thing made. Got a grinder over here that I've been wanting to kind of retrofit with some stuff. And I had the final piece of the puzzle, the last missing piece of the puzzle. I was going to do the first project on it on this video today, but unfortunately this happened. Let me show you what happened here. This toaster oven, Black & Decker 8-slice toaster oven from Amazon. Opened it up, got all excited, and yeah, not good. Like this thing, I don't know what kind of war that thing went through, but man, that's not gonna work for today. It's just destroyed. Yikes, that's not good. So I have to send that back, unfortunately. So sorry about that. Now what? That was a big plan for the week. What my goal is to post a video once a week, Sunday mornings. And maybe you guys have a better idea if you think you want to see it then posted at a different time, whatever. But for me, it's kind of a good, consistent time. It's, Sunday mornings. I send the video, you guys can see it. You turn it on, you should be able to expect something from this channel once a week. That's my goal. I don't want to go, a month or whatever and nothing. Even if it's just a quick update, say hi, everything. Ideally, we get to that point where we can do a video once a week that's sort of decent, and then maybe one live video in the middle of the week. If you guys like that idea, let me know in the comments. That'd be awesome. But we could, maybe Mrs. D2S and I sit down in front of the fire and we talk, and we can chat back and forth, during the middle of the week, and then we'll have something, some sort of product review or something cool to share once a week. I mean, I'd like to do more, but the reality is, guys, I have a full-time job raising kids. It's just not completely feasible to do this all the time, but I owe it to you, the viewers, subscribers, friends. Hey, let's just do it once a week. Let's figure it out. Figure out how to get it done. Even if it's not the best, I'll try to get you something. I think we owe it to you. So what do we do this week? Well, I don't really know. That was kind of like the big plan. So anyways, what we're gonna do is, I have some other ideas. There's another video that I want to do. Oh man. Okay, so here's the thing. We have a little bit of a problem today in our small bathroom up here in our house, and this could be catastrophic if we don't get it fixed. I don't really know what they did. One side seems to be pretty solid, but I mean, one more pull on this thing and it could be, it could be all over, and you don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna make an attempt at fixing this. I have some ideas on how I'm gonna do it. So it's gonna be kind of funny, but the tricky thing with this kind of door, or with this kind of situation, is this wall right here. I can push on it and move it, because this is a pocket door right here. I'll show you. So it's a zero clearance deal right there. There's a pocket door in this bathroom. Let's see if I can get this thing dialed in before there's like a real accident here. We gotta, problems are happening. So. There's not a lot of stress on this thing, so it's not like that big a deal. It just needs to be like stabilized. So I gotta mix this up really good, and then I gotta go put it on there right away. This stuff dries pretty good. pretty fast, actually. Get it nice and mixed up. Go this way. And this way. So now I've epoxied this piece that I cut out. Now I'm just going to stick that in there. So I got this thing textured up pretty good. There's no way you can get this perfect, but you know, it's in a tiny little bathroom. You don't really see it too much. It's kind of dark in here anyways, but this texture, kind of try to blend it as good as I could. Those covers are gonna fit over that, so I'm gonna put some paint on this and then bolt those fixtures back on. Should be good to go. Guys, sometimes it's the small things in life that count. You know, that was just a little project that I've been putting off for a long time. Kind of lame, kind of boring, but you know, I really like using that multi-tool. I've used that for a lot of little repairs around the house. It's easy to fix things like that. Hey, if you guys have any better ways of doing that in the comments, I'm always looking for better ways of like doing small repairs like that, because like I said before, it's really hard to match that texture. I mean, I can do an okay job if I have to do a big area and I can kind of blend it, but in these small detail areas it gets kind of tricky. So if you guys have any tips or tricks, let me know in the comment section. Send me a message. Also, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, follow button. Would like to have you on board. Always like to hear new comments, see new people show up. Again, have a good week, guys. I will talk to you later. I'll see you on the next one.